Me?
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm just having my coffee. The camera's already.
I have not had a swiggle of coffee yet. What's this? Pay no attention to the roll of toilet paper back here. I ran out of room in the cupboard.
we're prepared for empty shelves.
We are. How are you doing this morning, girl? Oh, you're looking pretty sleepy.
Pretty quiet here last night.
Very quiet. I see we had some new neighbors pull in around, but it's so quiet. There's a train that goes by periodically, but what's on the plan today? There is no plan. We're just going to kind of drive and meander.
We're gonna work our way south on this fairly back road. Is it Highway 89 or 6? Or both? I don't know.
I think it's 6 now.
But it heads down towards like Moab, I think.
Green River, I think, is where. Yeah.
So we'll just stop. There's a fly in here. Anytime you're camped anywhere near cattle, you're gonna get flies, and there's a lot of cattle around here.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of places to, disperse free camping and little campgrounds here and there. So we'll drive till we don't want to.
Mm-hmm.
And then our friends Bruce and Karen gave us some elk steaks.
Yeah.
And your dad gave you some potatoes that are on your avocado shelf.
Yeah, purple potatoes. I got purple potatoes.
So I'm thinking.
I'm excited about those.
Elk and taters.
Yeah, you know what?
In the cast iron.
Yes. And you know what? I was thinking I was going to do, I have a lot of garlic. I have more garlic than this from my dad. And I was actually going to put some in the Instant Pot, maybe while we drive, and like roast it up a little. So then we could do like roasted garlic and purple potatoes. And roasted garlic on everything else.
Yeah, yes, please.
That's yummy.
You know what I like is to take like a little, was it a crostini, or like you get a baguette and you slice it and you toast it, and then you put spread roasted garlic with some goat cheese and like stone ground mustard on it.
Yes, you're talking my language. I would do a drizzle of good balsamic on it, just a.
Sometimes with us, it's just all about the food.
Oops, I had the camera really wonky there. I think I probably got you in frame, but not me in frame. That's okay.
Morning, honey.
Good morning. I need my coffee. And should we take the girl for a little walk this morning before we hit the road?
Yeah.
We just hit the road and walk and then
hit the road before hit the road.
Okay. Coffee time first. Pistol, why are you shivering? She declined to walk. She says too cold out there, and then it started sprinkling, so we're just
cold mountain mornings.
Yeah, it feels like fall. I kind of like it. Good morning. Let's see what this day brings.
Welcome to Colorado.
Yeah, we're in Colorado. What the heck?
Who knew?
You don't want to eat that, girl.
Looks like we'll be in a Walmart tonight.
Yeah, whatever. Right now we're at a city park. We are getting dinner together.
She wants to go play.
Yeah.
Look at those like pleading eyes.
Oh, she's got to go outside.
What you
We got some purple potatoes in there. I'm going to toss in a couple heads of garlic. And hopefully they'll cook a bit. And then I'll probably do that like 10 minutes. And then maybe I could toss it all in a pan or something at the end. And you could take a look at the elk steaks we have. See what needs to be done with those.
Once you get these going, you tell me when you have like 10 minutes left or so.
Yeah.
And I'll start frying up the steaks.
Okay.
Alrighty, I gotta take this outside.
Okay. Yes, you do.
Okay.
Potatoes should be close to done. Garlic may be close to done. I don't want the steam in my van. I don't need to add any moisture inside a van, right? You guys know what I'm talking about, the live in a van. So I think what I'm gonna do, Dave's gonna cook these elk steaks our friend Bruce and Karen gave us.
He gave us elk tenderloins.
Yeah, incredible. So Dave's gonna cook the steaks in this cast iron with maybe some butter, and I don't know, he's the protein cooker, so he's gonna do that. And then once those are done and resting, I'm gonna cut up these potatoes and throw some garlic and kind of finish them in the pan that he cooked the meat in to kind of crisp them up. But it depends on the level of doneness of these potatoes. If they're too far gone, it might not be good. But
what's the town we're in? Oh, we're in Cortez. Cortez, Colorado. We're the very southwest corner of Colorado. Tomorrow into
New Mexico.
New Mexico. So we'll slow down tomorrow.
Yeah.
We've been kind of running from bad weather. We had a lot of rain today, but it was still really, I mean, it was like 50 and rainy, but the weather was nice to drive in. But we have never been in northern New Mexico. We've crossed New Mexico 5 or 6 times, probably.
But usually just that very south tip.
Yeah. So
and then like Cloudcroft, that high
I love that area of New Mexico, but I really wanted to see what the north part looks like.
Yeah. Okay, we took Pistol for a walk, and she did all her business. She's eating dinner.
Every time we turn that camera on.
Yes. You're just a diva. You're a diva. See, the camera's on her and she's fine now.
Now point it at me and see what happens.
You hear her go? Okay, back. You just need all the attentions. We've created a monster. All right, maybe get these steaks going. I'm gonna pop the top on that Instant Pot, and then when you're done, I will finish the potatoes in the pan. Steaks are off, potatoes are on, and I'm just gonna add, this garlic wasn't quite how I wanted, but I'm going to add, oh, it is super squishy. I'm gonna add that to the potatoes, because I think that's gonna be good. And don't worry, we eat vegetables earlier in the day. The past 2 dinner meals have just been a protein and a starch, so.
I don't think anyone would be interested in watching us make a salad.
Oh, yeah, probably not.
And then we put in the spinach.
We do make some interesting salads though sometimes.
We do.
Okay, I'm just gonna crisp those up for a second.
And then we plate.
And then it's dinner time. Purple potatoes on a purple plate.
It's kind of funny.
Thanks, Dad.
This is your plate. How much do you want?
Okay. That's good, thanks.
You sure?
Yeah.
I want more
I
than
mean,
that.
I can come back.
You just saying that because the camera's on.
No, I think they
Should
know.
I see how well I did?
Yeah,
You
see
want me to
how
cut yours, just
Sure.
like a section of it?
Yeah.
or-
Sure. Give it a slice. Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. Pistol thinks so too. This isn't fair. Wow, thank you so much. And thanks, Bruce. I'm gonna grab Pistol a bone.
Here.
Me? Oh man. Tenderloin that is.
Let me see.
So tender. Want me to get her a bone?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Incredible.
Wow.
Here, girl. There you go. Everyone gets something yummy, huh? How'd the potatoes work out? I gotta try that. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Well, there's some picnic tables right
Yeah.
outside.
Okay.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat, and then we're going to head over to the Walmart here in Cortez, Colorado, and hang out for the night. We might get
Hang out for the night at the Walmart.
Yeah.
Romantic, I know.
Got a
I
hot
know.
date at the Walmart.
I know, it's kind of romantic.
No, I was thinking I put the screen up and we could watch. Oh, you know what? I downloaded the last season of Goliath. We've been watching that, so maybe
Yeah,
we
we
can
don't have a
watch-
TV. We never watch TV. We never watch much of anything.
Mhm.
But she downloaded Goliath because years ago we watched the original Goliath series.
Mhm.
And
Billy Bob Thornton.
yeah, so now we're gonna put it on the projector.
Yeah.
We're gonna have movie night tonight in a Walmart.
Ooh, so let's do popcorn and movie in a Walmart parking
You gonna
lot.
make me popcorn?
Yeah.
At the Walmart?
Yes. Does it get any better
You
than
guys
this?
hate me.
All right, I gotta eat
Okay,
this before it gets
all
cold.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh boy. Are we ready? Yeah. I got the screen set up.
It's a beautiful night in Walmart.
Yep. It sure is. She's a good girl. She loves popcorn.
And popcorn. Nice.
All right, you guys. We'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Come on, ain't your eye.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh.
See, she's good.
She is good.
No, you do that. Oh, ain't that?
Ah.